There we go, guys. Back to the fabulous sentence builders, and just to update you with a couple of things that have been added over the summer. Martin's been working very hard, and I think the update is really worth mentioning. So let's go into sentence builders. If you're not familiar with the interface and stuff, I've made another video that you're very welcome to have a look at, and I'll put a link later on. So I'm going to go into classes because I want to set up an assignment. I'm going to go into my friendly class here. You can see I've set up something here, but we're going to be setting up one new assignment just to show you what it looks like. So I'm going to go into language gym. You can see there are 3 books now there. Let's go to the intermediate GCSE one, hobbies and interests. Again, you have they could do DIY one or can do a predefined one. I quite like the fact that it's got structured. So let's go into SB sentences. And again, you have tons of things depending exactly on what you want to do and what you work on. Let's say this time I just want to have it a translation to Spanish. And here are that. Look at that. It's amazing. So you have, you can assign it. Okay, now you also have the express possibilities. And this is a very thorough assignment with 95 questions. It could be taking a couple of lessons, could be quite long. But a very good thinking here from Martin that you can do an express one with only 45 questions, so half the amount of questions. So that's great. But what also you can do is, which is amazing, is you can actually, if you're not sure what questions will be asked, you can actually preview it. So let's have a quick look. Let's assign the express one. Assign. You must not forget that if you want to assign it, you have to go to the bottom and click to finalize. Otherwise, it's not going to work out. So click to finalize. Here, you can add some notes, give some instructions. You can change the date, obviously. But what you can do here is you can preview the assignment. So I click on this. How clever is that? Again, it opens it into another window, which is great. You'll see why in a minute. So you have a look at what the activities are made. You have set one of 15 questions there, 15 sets with lots and lots of questions in it. There are 3 questions in each. You can skip the activities and see exactly what activities will be done during this. And if you're happy with it, that's fabulous. You keep up with it. So if you're happy with it, and you just go back to the other window, which be 2 windows being open, you go and set the assignment. And if you're not happy with it, well, just go back and start again. And so it's very, very well done and well thought. So let's set it up now. And you can see I have 2 now. And if I realize that I set up an assignment without checking what was in it, when I am back into the assignment area here, you can see I've got a ... or the ellipsis, whatever you call it. And I'll go on it. You have the eye here. Click on it again. It's going to open another window. And this is a way also for me to check all of the questions and all the sets which have been put up here. Again, you can check all the activities which can be done and what type of questions can be done there. What a terrific addition to the already very efficient and very good sentence builders. It's going to make our life much, much easier when it comes to setting up assignments. So well done. If you want to have a look again at a very thorough introduction to sentence builders, do have a look at the video. And if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe.